Good morning, all of you. We are discussing about chapter number 11, Introduction to Trigonometry. Yesterday, I completed one of the very important topic, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So, I will write down one by one what I have discussed. As sine 90 degree minus theta can be written as cos theta. Next, cos 90 degree minus theta can be written as sin theta. Next, tan 90 degree minus theta can be written as cot theta. Then write cot next. Cot 90 degree minus theta can be written as tan theta. Next, remaining two, cosecant 90 degree minus theta can be written as sec theta. Then sec 90 degree minus theta can be written as cosec theta. So this is the very important trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now I will start exercise number 11.3, question number 1. So evaluate sub question. First one, sine 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Yes. First I will complete this. Next I will consider one by one. As very important, sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine. So anyone you make it change, either sine or cos. Please don't make both changes. Anyone. Yes, sine 18 can be written as sine 18. Here is the answer. You have to subtract 90 minus 72. You have to subtract from 90. So 90 degree here is there. 90 minus 72, that is 18, or 90 degree minus 18, that is 72. Any one. Thus divided by denominator. Please don't make any changes. Keep as it is. Cos 72. Either you should change numerator or denominator. Sine, you should convert the sine into cos or cos into sine. Otherwise, sine 18 as it is. Denominator can be written as cos 90 degree minus here 18 degree. Yes, very simple. Next, sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. What is the value of theta here? So this is theta. This is the value of theta. Sine 90 degree minus theta can be written as cos theta. As cos theta value 72 divided by denominator cos 72. As gets cancels, the value of this one is equal to 1. Yes, very simple questions. One more questions, maybe multiple choice or short answer question. Now second one, tan 26 degrees divided by cot 64 degrees. Yes, just to observe here, sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine. Sum of this value, I mean theta value, 18 plus 72, that is 90 degree. Here also, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan. Sum of these two angles, 64 plus 26, that is equal to 90 degree. Yes. Now, in this problem, numerator as it is. Any one, I told you any one. Cot 64 can be written as cos 90 degree minus as numerator value, that is 26. 90 minus 26, 64. As tan 26 as it is divided by tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, cot changes to tan. Tan. What is the value of theta? 26 degrees. Both are same. Is equal to 1. Next, consider third question. Cos 48 degrees minus sin 42. Yes, sin 42. I told you, sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin. Yes, here you can guess the answer easily. Yes, fraction is there means 1. As here we get both gets cancels, is equal to 0. Yes, cos 48 as it is, minus sin 42 can be written as sin 90 degree minus, very careful, don't write 42, that is wrong. We should get 42, you have to subtract 48 from 90. 48 from 90, what will you get? 42. So this is equal cos 48 minus sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, so this is the value of theta, so cos theta, cos 48, both are same terms, gets cancels, the value of this one is 0, very careful, don't write 1, okay na? Right, next, last question in this main, fourth one, cosecant 31 degrees, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant, yes, 59 degrees. Yes, sum of sin and cos 90, tan and cot 90, again cos and sin 90, cosecant changes to secant, cosecant changes to secant, sum of these two 90 degrees. Yes, this is equal to, and is cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 can be written as 90 minus, here is there, that is 31. So this is equal to cosecant 31 minus secant 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, that is cosecant 31 degrees. Yes, both gets cancels. Answer is 0. Yes, very simple answers, very simple. So nothing simplification, just you have to write in terms of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, right. Next question, main question 2. Show that I will consider one by one. As first one, tan 48 degrees, tan 23 degrees, tan 42 degrees, next tan 67 degrees. You have to show this value is equal to 1. That's very simple. Solution, consider LHS tan 48 tan 23 degrees into tan 23 into tan 42 degrees, then tan 67 degrees. Yes, this implies any two make it change. Any two means that is also very careful. Yes, some 90 degree, 48 and 42. Among these two, anyone you make it change. Next, tan 23, tan 67. Out of among these two, anyone you make it change. Yes, I will keep as it is this one, tan 48. So I will write this term here. Nothing changes. Why? Because product sign, that is product of all the terms. Next, tan 42 can be written as tan in terms of 90. Yes, that is 90 minus 48. What will you get? 42. Tan 42. Nothing changes. Next, into tan 23 as it is. Yes, tan 67 can be written as tan 90 minus 23. Yes, this is equal to tan 48. Yes, tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, tan changes to cot. Yes, cot 48 into tan 23, tan 90 minus theta, again cot. Just remember what you have learned in previous classes. Yes, tan 48, tan and cot are reciprocal to each other, so this can be written as 1 divided by tan 48. Don't forget the previous knowledge, all basic knowledge required from beginning to end. Next, tan 23, this can be written as 1 divided by tan 23 degrees as numerator denominator term, numerator term denominator term. The final answer is 1. So this 1 what we require, this is same as RHS answer. That's very simple. I repeat, tan 48 degrees, tan 23 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 67 degrees. We have to show this value is equal to 1 again by using trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So tan 48 as it is, tan 23 can be written as, right, you write these two terms. I told you earlier, 48, 42, sum of these two, 90 degree as tan 23, LHS tan 42, tan 67. Sum 90 degree, you write 42. This 42 can be written as tan 48 as it is, 42 can be written as tan 90 degree minus 48. Tan 90 degree minus 48, that is 42. Tan 23 as it is, this 67 can be written as tan 90 degree minus 23. So tan 48, tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta, theta value 48. Tan 23, tan 90 minus theta, cot 23. Tan and reciprocal, tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. So tan 48 as it is, cot 48 can be written as 1 by tan 48. Tan 23 as it is, cot 23 can be written as 1 by tan 23. Gets cancels. The final answer is 1. So this one, what we require, maybe it is 2 marks question. Okay, let's see next one. Same main, question number 2. Question number 2, sub question is also second. Show that second cos 38 degrees into cos 52 degrees minus sin 38 degrees into sin 52 degrees. We have to show this value is equal to 0. Consider LHS. Before that, solution, right, is equal to cos 38 into cos 52. Next, minus sin 38 into sin 52. Don't write is equal to 0. You should prove. Yes, I told you. Sum of these two 90 degree. Yes, cos 38 as it is. This can be written as cos 90 minus, I told here is there, 90 minus 38. Yes, minus sin 38 as it is. Yes, sin 52 can be written as 90 minus 38. So this is equal to cos 38 as it is. Cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, that is the sin 38 minus sin 38 as it is. Sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, sin changes to cos, that is cos 38. Both are same terms. Cos 38 into sin 38 minus sin 38 into cos 38. So A into B is same as B into A. Similarly here also both are same terms, but between these two minus sign. So gets cancels is equal to 0. So this is the RHS part. Okay, so problems especially on trigonometry is very simple. Okay, next question number 3. Third one, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. Find angle a. Find angle a. So this one you have to calculate as solution. That's very simple. So tan changes to cot, tan 2a can be written as, first to write tan 2a, yes, tan 2a can be written as, otherwise tan, yes, better This one you make it change instead of this, then it will be very easy. So tan 2a can be written as cot 90 degree minus 2a. So the condition very important, they given here where 2a is acute. Yes, tan changes to cot changes to tan, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta means 2a here. So tan 2a can be written as cot 90 degree minus 2a. I told you this one keep as it is, cot a minus 18 degree. Now both are in terms of cot. Just keep in your mind, gets cancels. You have chapter in higher classes, but now this knowledge is enough. So both sides cot gets cancels. Now make it equal. So 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Yes, now you write a one side or angle one side. So 90 degree plus 18 degree is equal to a plus 2a. Just shift the terms. 18 you take here, 2a you center side. Therefore, a plus 2a, that is 3a, is equal to 90 plus 18, that is 108. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 108 degree divided by 3. Therefore, the value of a, 3 3 ja 9, remaining 1, 18, that is 3 6 ja 18. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 36 degrees. Yes, very simple. Steps also very simple, but they depend upon this one. This is very important. Okay, I shall continue remaining classes in the next video. Okay, thank you.